for some situations, projections are just better. So let me just quickly explain what that is. So let's say, for example, you both sit down at the beginning of the month or before the beginning of the month and you say, based on prediction, right, we're going to spend this much on marketing. We have these two guys on ramp up. We want this guy to do 8 units. We want this guy to do 8 units, etc. We want this guy to do this much cash. Now, we want to make, based off what we're spending and the new people that we have, let's say 500 grand. That's what we want. That's what's possible with what we're aiming for. Mr. Sales Manager, if you can make that happen, if you hit 90% of that target, 90% of it, I'll give you a 3 grand bonus. If you hit 95% of it, I'll give you another 3 grand bonus. If you hit 100% of it, 3 grand, 105%, up to 110%. So you give him a bonus the closer he gets to that target. It's very much more, how can I say, satisfying for him, but expensive for you, right? In the beginning, right? But as the predictability and the thing starts to scale, then a percentage is definitely a lot more invested, right? But for my situation, it wasn't like that. For your situation, it might be fine. So if you're doing 3% working, forget about everything I'm saying. But if you get a new sales manager, I would highly recommend just do the projection model first. It's actually a lot easier as well. Yeah. And it still gives him something to aim for, right?